Chicken update. A lot of time has passed since they were this small. We began to get them ready to live outside full-time. We began by lessening the amount of heat access at night. As the nights got warmer, as well as the older they got, the less heat was needed each night, until it was no longer needed at all. We also started to change their diet. No more would we feed them like little baby chicks, because they always ate way too fast. We started feeding them like this to practice scratching. We also started to introduce kitchen scraps as well for entertainment and nutrition. For most that have raised chickens, you know at this age they start to make it known they are ready to go outside. They are probably safe overnight, but we won't take chances this young. We take them out and bring them in every night until the weather is consistent or their adult feathers are fully formed.
Oh, chicken butts.
That butt says, I'm not gonna die. What is it? Chicken.
Get you a man that will gather your chicks every night with you.
I didn't think you needed light. There's Ghost Cat. Run. He's right behind you.